If your vehicle keeps cranking but not starting, in this video I'll be showing you what could be the problem and how to solve it. Though this is not all the times, but maybe it could save you one day or maybe now. Some vehicle has a strong security before you can start the vehicle, and that was built against a wanted person that comes to start the vehicle, or maybe thief saw the key and wanted to drive away. So before you call your mechanic or an electrician, first you check if your vehicle has a security. I guess maybe you might have set or install the security on the vehicle, which would cause it not to start, and maybe probably you've forgotten. Okay, so on this vehicle I keep cranking, it only cranks but not starting. I then closed the door and then I cranked, no start. And what I did next will shock you. So I just mistakenly located this area and I pressed it. So pressing it, I came over to the key switch and cranked. So now the vehicle is idling. Okay, I used my leg to depress it and crank. So why did it now start? This is because it has a security that was installed in this area. Okay, security has been installed. So without depressing this mirror box, it won't start. Okay, so if maybe it's someone that came to steal the vehicle, you cannot, except you are told that it has a security at this area. So therefore, having security on your vehicle can cause it not to start. Okay, so it's not the fuel pump, it's not the plug, it's not the injector, okay, but the security that has been installed on your vehicle. So before you waste thousands of dollars, make sure you think of it if you have a security on your vehicle or not. So the same vehicle that refused to start is now idling, you can see. So this simple trick that I just did now became the crank and start of the vehicle. No more crank without start, but now the crank and start. So I hope this helped. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Diagnostic.